Welcome aboard, folks. We're ready for a relaxing ride around the park. Hey, we can leave it up. What the fuck is it?
I must have hit that track switch. It's a stampede. You're running wild.
Hooray! Step right up, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls.
There they are.
Yoo-hoo! We'll be right down!
Didn't make it.
Oh boy.
We made it!
Nothing can stop us now.
Hurry!
We have to stop them before they go over the...
Wait, Dad, there was a big thing. Bubbles? No, not a bubble.
Welcome, dancers, welcome! Come. It's so nice to see you. Come on in. Don't be shy. That's right. Everyone to your positions. Ready? And... 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Oh, excellent. You're all wanting so beautifully together. Oh. Now, let's...
Hope you had a relaxing time, and thanks for riding around the park with me. Now, how do you stop one of these things? I'll just check my trusty man. Let's see. Guess I'll just press all the buttons and see what happens. You don't have any other plans? Well, dang, niggers! Told you nothing was gonna go wrong.
Nothing can stop us now. I'm so...
Let's
gonna see.
I was like, in my baby.
Still upset we didn't buy the plushie. Plushie at that one.
Chibi.